Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and I'm going to show let's learn about how to learn about Python. Python is simple language, so let's go take back time to write it. So first of all, let's go with the basics. So let's me do how to print a statement. What is the keyword for this? Is print. This is a keyword. Print parentheses and inverted commas, and you can write double inverted commas, and you can write any statement you want. I will write like I'll write hello world. So what does this do is that by seeing this we should print this name, okay. So if I run this program, and it should come in this input box as hello world. So if I run this, yes, as we see, it printed hello world. So in the next video, I'm going to show you what is variables, and we're going to work them. So you'll see them in the next video. Thank you.